Take a moment to check out the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera, alarm, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.